Realtor.com recent analysis shows that home properties with swimming pools have seen a significant rise in their value. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a surge in demand for bigger homes with additional amenities like swimming pools, driving up their value. Homes with a pool typically have an 8% higher listing price than similar homes without one, a premium that's been increasing. The trend is most pronounced in the Midwest and the South, with less noticeable impact in the West. Areas where pools are standard see a decrease in value for homes without pools. This trend is particularly evident among luxury buyers who see pools as both a relaxation spot and a status symbol. During the pandemic, buyers prioritized quality of life amenities like pools when mortgage rates were low. Those desiring a pool now expect its installation cost to be reflected in the purchase price, as the time and effort needed to install one can deter potential buyers. The data suggests that the pool premium could continue to influence the housing market significantly,